Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to make your own Unblocked Games website. But before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe. It will really help the channel out. Disclaimer: using this site during school hours is your decision. I don't encourage this and cannot be held responsible if you get in trouble because of it. To get started, let's go to Google Sites. I will make another video soon on how to customize a Google site and make it look better, but for now I will leave it looking fairly basic. Let's get started making a games page. There will be a few different methods. To skip to one of the methods, use the timestamps in the description. Here's method 1. It will be really easy. To get started, go to this link that's in the description and choose a link that isn't blocked. Now copy the URL of this website and go back to your Google site. Then go to Pages. Then hover over the plus and then Full Page Embedded. You can call this whatever you want, but I will call it Games. Click on Add Embed, and then paste the URL that you copied earlier, and then press Insert. There we go. Now we can preview it to see how it will look like. That looks great, doesn't it? Method 2. This method will be much more time-consuming, but it will allow you to customize the games page. Go to this link that's in the description and choose a domain. Make sure to choose one that isn't blocked. To test whether a domain is blocked, click on one of the game links. Then copy the URL of the game and go back to your Google site. Hover over the plus button and click on Full Page Embedded. You can call this whatever you want, but I will call it Subway Surfers. Then click on Add Embed and paste in the URL that you copied earlier, and then press Insert. Then open the Pages tab, and then click on the plus button. You can call this whatever you want, but I will call it Games. Click on the Insert tab, and then under Content Blocks, click on the option with 4 images. Now, here you have a choice. You can have 4 larger game icons per row, or 6 smaller game icons per row. Here is how it would look with 4 games per row, and here is how it would look like with 6 games per row. Here is how to make there be 6 games per row. Under Content Blocks, click on the one with 4 pictures again, and then drag 2 of the boxes to the end of the first row. You can now delete the second row. Now you need to add images to each of these boxes. To upload an image from your computer, click on the plus button in the center of the box, and then click on Upload. This will open up a file browser where you can select an image that you have saved to your computer. Repeat this for each game box. Click on the text under one of the boxes and then type in the name of the game. Repeat this for all of the boxes. Open the Pages tab, and then drag the game that you added earlier into the Games page. This will make the game nested inside the Games page. Add more games, and then click on one of the game boxes, and then click on the image again, then click on the chain icon, then select the game, and press Apply. This made the game image turn into a button that opens the game. Repeat this for all of the other game boxes. Let's preview the site now. This looks and works great. That's all for now. Soon I will be making videos on how to customize your site and make it look better, how to add a proxy to your website, and how to add a chat to your website. Please like and subscribe to see my future videos.